Welcome back to our channel. So guys, if today is your first time and you do not know this phrase, this is Glory Family Love, and welcome to our channel. If you're a returning subscriber, oh, you are amazing. Thank you for always coming back. God bless you. I hope you all are staying safe. I just pray God protection be upon you all during this hard time and this trying time. And yeah, so today guys, I am going to be doing trying haul for you guys. I'm going to be trying on some clothes I got from Woolworths. I don't know if anyone else know this shop, Woolworths. They have it here in Germany, and I think it's also in Africa and in other parts of the world. I do not know, but I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. These things are so affordable, and I think I got them like $50–$60 or less. I don't know yet, but I'm going to put it in the description box while uploading this video after looking at my receipt. Okay guys, so guys, stay tuned while I show you guys what I got. So affordable, they were on sales. What I actually got there to get, I just deviated and I said no, I'm going to get this. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be trying it on for you guys today. Stay tuned. So guys, ignore the noise in the background. This is my first outfit. This is how it looks. I saw this dress last year, but I didn't know why I did not get it. But yeah, I hope you guys can see it properly, but because I do not have a tripod stick. This is how it looks in the hand. It's so loose, so good for summer, so free. Please don't forget to tell me what you think and which one of these dresses is your favorite. In my family vlog, which I will be uploading before or after this, you guys will see when I went to shop for this. Okay, so moving over to the next outfit. So guys, this is the second outfit. Ignore my hair. This is the second outfit. I don't know how it looks from the back because I dressed up myself. So this is the second outfit. Ignore my big tummy. I'm working out on this. So guys, this is my second outfit. What do you think? This is it when I come close. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section which one of these outfits let me know in the comment section which one of these outfits is your favorite. Okay, moving over to the next dress or outfit. So guys, this is my third outfit. This is the dress. This is how it looks. I hope you guys can see this properly. Like, this is how it looks, and all of my dress are mostly the same length. It's always below my knee, a little bit on top of my knee. So if you guys are wondering how it looks down, because my tripod, I don't have a tripod, I'm just managing what I have. Guys, which one of these dress is your favorite, guys? Let me know. I want to know in the comment section. Just let me know. I want to know. I have family on YouTube. If you're also new, I just want to know, coming across this video, which one of these outfits you think it's more suiting for me or is your favorite. If you're going to go for anyone, which one are you going to go for? Okay, and I also bought a leggings. Let me have that. I also bought a leggings. This is just a pink leggings. Can't even try this one because I do not have can't try this one because my tripod is not long enough. So that was all I got. And guys, can you believe I got all these dresses? For how much? Guys, guess how much I got these dresses? I got the dress for... I got the dress, everything in total, I got them for $21. I don't know if you guys can see this very well. $21. 21 euros, sorry. I got it for 21 euros. Just want you guys to capture this. Yeah, $21. So thank you guys for watching. I want to know in the comment section which one of these dresses is your favorite and what you think about the price. Is for me, it's quite affordable because I was going for a dress that was 30 euros for one of the dress and my hubby really loved it. But when I saw this, I'm like, huh. My hubby said he was going to, he will get that for me as well because he loved the dress. But I'm like, let me get this. I can go get the other one later. Let me first of all check out how this will look on me. So thank you, Glory Family Gangs, for watching. If you're new to this channel and you've not joined or you've not subscribed, please subscribe and join the family, okay? It will really mean a lot to us. Please share out our video, share it in all platforms that you can. And let's make this channel popular, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my very next video. Bye. Oh, God. No, don't come here.